The ED error code on a freezer indicates a problem with the self-defrosting element, which has failed and is causing frost to build up on the rear wall. This issue can be caused by a temperature problem or a damaged defrost heater element. To fix the error, one possible solution is to manually defrost the freezer. This involves unplugging the power cord, removing all contents, and leaving the door open for 26 to 36 hours. After plugging it back in, wait an additional 8 hours for the freezer to reach its optimal temperature. If the issue is more complex, such as replacing the defrost heater element, and is beyond one's capabilities, it may be necessary to arrange a service visit. This can be done by visiting the manufacturer's website, selecting the product in need of repair, providing a zip code, and either logging into an account or continuing as a guest from there. A description of the issues with the freezer can be provided, along with details of the equipment, and a date for a visit can be selected.